Hi, my name is Kristi Elias. I have been teaching masterpiece portraits. We photographed some pirates, we photographed a sorcerer, we photographed Green Arrow, and today we also did fine art boudoir. So we did different dresses with throwing fabric so that everybody's getting a combination of images, doing creative composites. They'll learn all of my editing techniques and everything, and then also some images that don't require a lot of editing. So a little bit of everything today for the masterclass.
Hi, good morning. My name is Arezu Jalali. I'm a fashion photographer here in Orange County. I was a long-term student of California Center of Digital Arts, and I'm so glad that I took Kristi's classes, Kristi Elias. The class did open a lot of things for me. Her skills is very professional. Opened my mind a lot, and I'm gonna incorporate what I learned from her class into my own style for future.
My name is George, Fine Line Stills. I'm here at the California Center for Digital Arts taking Kristi Elias's masterclass, and it's awesome. It's been a couple days. Today's day 3. Still got another half day tomorrow, so awesome value. A lot of learning, super heavy learning, super awesome. Some shooting, some editing, and a little bit of business. So you're learning a little bit of everything, and I'm having a great time. I would definitely do it again. I would recommend it to anybody who's thinking about it. If you're just thinking about it, just do it. It's worth it.